Stop.
Well, here we are. Kylan and I took a walk on the north side of town, and I thought our end got it bad, but as you see, I mean, we didn't get nothing compared to north side.
Hey, stop.
This is
Stop.
this. Look at this.
Stop.
Look at this. That's where a manhole was.
Stop.
Look at that. That is crazy.
Your train's here.
No, I need you on this side. Thank you.
I'm here, right there.
Here's North End Deli's parking lot.
Let's go there.
This is crazy. Got manholes everywhere. Probably the fifth one. The road is literally in the sidewalk.
I'm moving.
And from my understanding, the Salvation Army building across from North End Cumberland Farms has collapsed. So Kylan and I are taking a trip down to see what we can see. And from what I see here at RK Miles, there's still quite a bit of water down there. Kylan, stop being whiny. Big old hole right here, and that's crazy huge. Look at that. There's your swimming pool. There's your swimming pool. Yeah.
Oh, we're at the beach? Huh?
Yeah, we're at the beach.
Oh, that's so deep, Dad.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Something's going on over there. Let's go check this out, Kai. Oh, wait. Here, cross right here. Look at all this stuff in the fence. That just shows you how high the water was over here. That water was way up there, and I mean, the camera does no justice. That's right up to my sternum on me. Look at this mess, Kai. Look in front of you. In front of you. Look at all that mess. That looks like a whole building. Careful. Careful of that tree sticking out. What is going on over here? Oh, the whole road. Look at that, the bridge. Oh my God. This is by RK Miles. Look at that. It's all gone. Look at that. Wow. I'm assuming that's all. You can't go under there, buddy. I'm assuming that's all from the bridge. Bridge debris. Got the excavator over there cleaning it out. What a mess. Get away from that stuff, buddy. You need to use your head. Use your brain. Man, it's like a hurricane came to Vermont. That is nuts, dude. This is crazy. It's like Irene all over again. Look like butts and tires, windows and doors got blown out. They had a pretty good truckload of stuff come out of their building. This is, yeah, this is, you'll be alright. Walking's good for you. Oh, we'll have to slow down. Look at, I don't know, debris. Look at this big hole.
That big hole?
Oh, yeah. We gotta go across the street. Okay, let's cross the street.
Dad.
What? Ooh.
Look.
That's a big hole.
Dad.
What?
You want to step in there?
Not really.
I do. I like that fun. I like that kind of car.
Yeah, that's pretty deep, buddy.
Yeah.
You don't want to go in there.
But do you?
Wow. Their whole fence is gone. Look at their fence, buddy.
Huh?
That fence is gone.
That one?
Yeah, the white fence used to wrap all the way around.
Yeah.
Gone.
Boom, gone.
This
Boom,
is crazy.
Dad, they just said boom, gone, right?
Yeah, boom, gone.
Dad, I'm in the mud.
Looks like UPS. Oh, wow, look at that UPS
I'm
truck.
in the mud, Dad.
Kyle, look at the mail truck over there. Look at that.
Oh, in the mud.
Look at that mail truck.
Oh, no.
Come on, buddy, you gotta hurry up. There's a truck coming. Come this way. Oh, shit.
But,
Yeah. Come on. My feet are soaked.
yeah. There was one feet up
Oh,
here,
wow.
Dad.
Look at that.
There was one feet up
Cumby's
here.
parking lot.
Okay. Let's get it, Dad.
What?
No. Okay, with one
Look at
feet
that.
up here.
Craters. Oh, wow. I guess it got it way worse on this end. I mean, look. Look at this. Stop screwing around before you fall. I mean, this, it's like huge divots. And now you're about to see some demolishment. Look at this.
Dad.
Look at all this. This is horrible. Stay up on there. Look at this.
Dad, is that touching the road? Is that touching the water? Is that touching water? Is
Wow.
It, huh? Is that touching water, Dad?
What, buddy?
Is that touching water?
Is what touching the water?
That. Huh?
You're gonna have to.
Jump? Bang. Bang. Dad, see how?
Stay up on there.
Why? Because that's pretty deep.
Yeah. This is very deep.
Oh, wait. Wait, is there something in there, Dad? Huh?
Huh?
Is there something in there?
Yeah, mud and yucky stuff.
In there? Huh?
Huh?
In there? Look, my feet are all mud. She's all mud, that's why I'm gonna wash them off. I'm gonna wash them off.
You can't wash your shoes on.
Why? I don't want to go through this.
Go through here. Yeah. Wow. Look at their door. Oh, let me check it. Let me check. Oh, yeah, don't go in there.
Why?
Because that's deep. I don't think we can go much farther, dude.
Why?
Because I don't want to get this pair of shoes all crap like my other ones. Not really another way to go around, though. Here, stay. Grab my back pocket.
This one?
With your other hand, grab my back pocket. Right here. Got it?
And this one?
Yeah, walk right behind me.
And this one?
Sure, just walk right behind me. Somebody's bumper.
Goodbye, bumper.
Shout out to my brother Mario. Unfortunate, lost both vehicles. Look at this. Let's see, Kai.
Huh?
Yeah, this is hard. Okay, you can walk next to me.
That looks like that thing floating.
Yeah.
No, you don't know how everything's floating. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Dad, he's in water. What's an idiot, right?
Hey, watch your mouth.
He's
Come.
in water.
Yeah, he's in water.
Yeah, what is that? An idiot? An idiot or not?
Yeah, but we shouldn't say that.
Not idiot.
Right. Knocked over the dumpster over here.
I'll go with the dinosaur.
Careful.
Okay. Why
Oh, a
is that?
couple dumpsters.
Yeah. I want my feet outside a couple dumpsters.
Yeah, a couple dumpsters. A lot of garbage over there.
Yeah.
Boy, it must have... Ooh, don't go up in there. Must have roared through here.
Yeah. Maybe.
Look at this. That's crazy. Look at that. All the way across town, nothing but demolishment. I mean, look at this. Wow.
Dad,
What?
this is all the flood, right? You want to go past this?
No, we can turn around now.
I don't want to.
Or actually, let's go over here. I see some cars that are kind of tipped sideways a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
Hold on, let me go first. Stay right there.
Okay. Check. I'm gonna go.
Don't grab my hand. Do not go through that water. Thank you. Stay up here on the edge. Do not go in the water. Stay right up close. Right close.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna let it out.
Oh my goodness.
What?
Look over here. This is Ayers. One of Ayers, oh my. One of Ayers spots here. Look at this. I mean, it must have been roaring through here. Williamstown was bad too, huh? That sucks.
Dad.
Ooh, look at this, bud. Look at that car.
A wheel.
Oh, somebody's fucking propane tank. Oh my god, look at all the propane tanks. Oh my god.
Right there.
Look at the cars
Look
piling.
behind ya.
Yeah, I know. Look at all the cars ran into each other.
Yeah,
Man,
a tire, right?
look at this.
And that's
I mean, there's just debris everywhere. Oh wow. Took all this right out. Look at that. That river's still really high. Look at this damage. Oh my gosh. This is sad. You see all this, I mean, that's pretty thick mud, and yeah, I mean, it looks like it's going right in their building.
Yeah. Is that one of the buildings?
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. What a mess.
Yeah.
That's too bad. Wow. Look at this. Look at that. Stay right with me. This is all eroded, buddy. Don't step over that. Look at that.